Hi there, this is Falguni Kharwa from Fulgani Kharwa Photography, Mumbai, India. I'm an internationally certified newborn photographer and trainer. Today I'm here to share 5 amazing tips of newborn photography. Tip number 1, wrapping. Wrapping is a very essential part of newborn photography. Start your session with wrapping the baby so that the baby settles well in the wrap. Make sure that the wrap is not around the neck tight because that's the most important safety rule of wrapping. Tip number 2, essential kit. What's in your essential kit? My essential kit has white noise, posing beans, chucks, wipes and a yoga ball. Yoga ball is a very essential tool for newborn photography for calming the baby and rocking the baby on the yoga ball. Tip number 3, get it right in the camera. Set your white balance to get accurate skin tones. Your camera setting should be ISO 160, shutter 160 and your f-stop should be 2.8. I also use lights which are UV safe and it is safe for baby skin. Tip number 4, essential safety props. I call it 5 Bs. Beanbag, bowl, bucket, basket and a bed. Beanbag is the most versatile and the most safest prop for newborn photography. I always start my session with beanbag to get my safety shots. Tip number 5, and a very important tip, invest in education. Follow a mentor, follow their best practices. I don't believe in reinventing the wheel. There are hundreds of mentors who have 20-30 years of experience and they have their best practices. Please follow them, learn from them, invest in in-person workshops and upgrade your skills. Education is the key to upgrading your skills as a newborn photographer. Hope these tips were useful. If you have any questions, do reach out and I'll be happy to answer your questions in the comments. Please invest in your education and do well, upgrade your skills, keep creating, keep shining, wishing you love and light.